Good morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Headmistress, and all my respected teachers. By your blessings, I am nominated as head boy. If you feel that I am eligible for this post, please cast your vote for me with all your blessings. Hope you will choose the best one for this post. Thank
A
you.
very good morning to all of you. I'm Shahida and I stand here with a great pride and honor as a nominee for the post of head girl. Being a leader does not mean being a dictator, and I believe that I'm suitable for this post. So you can always come to me, talk to me, and let me know your concerns. I'm always ready to improve. I believe in working as a team. This post is challenging myself academically. Being a leader would not only help me to serve you all, but also act as a bridge between the staff and the students, and this would be a great personal achievement. And finally, when I walk out of this institution knowing that I have done something for this wonderful encouraging school, your vote for me is a vote for change. Your vote for me is a vote for teamwork. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will vote for me.
Good morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, and all the teachers. Do you all remember me? Yes, it's me, your Kavya Vadla from PUC Second Year Commerce. By all your grace and blessings, I have been nominated for the post of head girl and even hope to be elected for it. Only blessings aren't enough for me to be head girl. I even need your votes. And I'm sure I'll make you feel proud about it. And I even strongly believe that your decision will never go wrong and will be the best one. So please vote me.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Singh. I am in PUC second science stream. I am nominated for head boy. So please give your valuable vote for a right candidate. Your vote is very important. It can change our school. Thank you.
To start this speech, I asked many of my friends for the perfect head girl speech, but you have to pay to read the examples, and I did not feel it was worth it, so I'm just going to speak my heart out. Good morning to all. For those who don't know me, I am Sukita of class 12 Commerce standing for the prestigious post of head girl. So, I have been given a few minutes to tell you why you should vote for me to be your head girl. I could promise you a bunch of really awesome things like other candidates do, but I know you're too smart for that. So I will tell you the truth that I think I can realistically do for the school and for all of you. This is my last year reading in the school, and I hope we all work together making ourselves and our school a better version possible. Let me come to the point. If I become the head girl, I will be the voice of the student committee and do my best within my limits. And even if I don't, I even promise to work hard with all my zeal, determination, passion, and work in collaboration with each one of you. Mahatma Gandhi ji once quoted, "Great leaders don't tell you what to do, they show how it's done." I can proudly say I'm in this school for last 13 years, and because of my school I have turned into a great all-rounder excelling in sports, academic, co-curricular activities and of course day-to-day problems. I realized that being head girl isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about having trust with the student body to organize and represent them with full honesty and enthusiasm whenever called upon. I have the compassion to listen and ability to work hard and yet have a good sense of humor. So don't vote for me just because I'm your friend or I'm a help you in all your activities. Vote for me because you have a good excellence taste and superb decision making skills. Thank you for listening to me. Jai Hind.